Most people think color is just something you see, but as an editor or a photographer, color is something you control. And once you understand this, your photo editing will change. Alright, so we are going to do all of the color grade inside camera raw filter. But then before we go to camera raw, let's remove the distraction in the background. So we are going to remove this woman, and this part too. So I'll just pick a selection tool. Let's take the lasso tool. Then I'll do a free selection like this. Yes. Then come to this place, generative view. Then I'll put this prompt. I have this prompt here. Just click generate. So wait for it to generate and see what it will give us. Now we have three variations that we can choose from. So let's hope we get something better. So you can see the prompt I use. Remove the objects in the background and fill the space naturally to match the surrounding wall and floor. Simple. Let's see if it will give us something good. Wow, this is the result. So we have three variations here. We have this one, this one. This is not really good. I don't like this. This one, not so good. So I'll go with the first one. This is nice. I'm going to create a visible stamp layer. I'll click on Control Command Shift Alt E, just like this. Then we'll go to filter, click on camera raw filter. So we are inside of camera raw. The first thing I'll do is to adjust the white balance. So I'll come to temperature and I'll push the temperature up a little, and for the tint I'll take it to -4. -4 is okay. So let's zoom in like this. If you look at the highlights, there is a light, there's an highlight obviously, but there's a blue, very subtle blue color on the highlights. So we are going to apply the blue on the highlights, and we are going to apply this shade of blue also to the shadow. And for the midtones, we are going to use this orange, a brighter orange, not this dark one, but we are going to use orange, blue for the highlights, dark blue for the shadow, and orange for the midtones. Now after adjusting the white balance, I'll collapse this, close this, and go to curve. Remember, we are applying the blue to the highlights. So on this chart here, or this box, the midpoint is for the midtones, this area is for the shadow, and this part is for the highlights. So I'm going to add a little bit of blue to the highlights. I'll lock this place so it doesn't move. So I'll lock it. Now push this place up just like this. I remember I want to add blue to the shadow, so this area is the shadow. So push it up, don't push it too much, just push it up a little bit like this. Then I'll copy this, just right click and copy channel settings. So I'll come to this, right click and paste. Now the shadow, bring it down. So instead of taking it up, bring it down like this. So let's see what we have here. This is before and this is after. So this is a great start. This is a good start. So this is what we have. So I'll close this, come to color mixer, and I just want to take up the orange a little and close this. Now for the color grade, we are still going to add similar colors to the shadow, midtone and highlights. Now we haven't added color to the midtones, we only added to the highlights and the shadow. So we are going to add to the midtones. First, let's add to the shadow. So I'll select the shadows and I'll push the balance up like this. Let me just take the saturation so that I can see what we are doing. So let's say we pick this color. Now if you are taking the balance up like this, now you are taking that particular color that you are selecting, you are taking it out of the highlights and you're pushing it to the shadows. Now this is how it was before. 0 is affecting the highlights, affecting the midtones and the shadows. So we only want it to be applied on the shadows. So we push the balance up like this. So you watch how this color is moving away from the highlights. Now we have the color on the shadows. You can see, so you can keep on pushing it till you have a good result. So we are going to change this color. We are not using this color, so come to this area here and we can switch in between colors. So this is the hue. So I'm going to pick a blue color like this. Yes, and take the luminance. Luminance is for brightness and darkness of that particular color. So reduce the luminance, reduce the saturation like this. Go to midtones. We'll pick a warm color, orange color like this. Don't want it to be too much, so just want something very simple, very nice. Don't want to overdo anything here. So come to luminance. Let's play with the luminance. So push it up, push it down, push it up. Should we make it look dramatic? Let's make it look dramatic. So I'll just push it down, the luminance. You can see. So this also works, but I don't want to push it all the way down. Somewhere here is okay. So I'll reduce the saturation to 35. Then go to highlights. Now remember, I want to add blue to the highlight or cyan. So I'll pick this color. So if you are pushing it in like this, you are increasing the saturation. Watch this slide, this saturation slide. So I'll take it up. We are reducing, push it in. We are adding saturation. Watch the hue slide. If I'm rotating it, you are changing the hue. So it's just simple. You can either use this or you just come to the slide, which will give you more control and accurate results. So I'll pick a color first. This color is okay. Then we'll reduce the saturation, increase the luminance, reduce the saturation like this. So let's zoom in. This is before and this is after. So I'll zoom out again. Let's reduce the saturation. So what I want to add now, I'll come to the calibration and just add saturation to the blue primary. So this will add saturation to all the image, to the overall image. So just add saturation like this. So the last thing we are going to do on this image is just to play around with mask. So go to mask, go to linear gradient, So you click on linear gradient. So I'm going to click from this point to this point, just like this. Then scroll down to exposure. So I'll take the exposure down like this. So I can adjust and adjust this also. So I'll take down the exposure, take down the highlights. You can see before and after. You can see. So this is before and after. So I'll just click OK. So if you notice, I left this area on purpose. So this should be part of the image. I feel like it should be part of the image. So this is how you can color grade this particular image. And if you want to master color grading and take your editing to the next level, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.